Okay, so these are what you need to know for parent functions. First, there's the constant. Constant, as you probably know, means no variable. For instance, 1 means that it doesn't intersect the x-axis and it crosses with a straight line on y equals 1. The parent function for a constant is fx equals 1. Next, we move on to linear. For linear, as you probably should know, is there's supposed to be a leading coefficient with the variable and a number. But in this instance, the parent function is just x, which means a straight line crossing through 0, 0. Next is the absolute value, which, if you know, is makes anything inside it a positive. So if you have -1 and it's in the absolute value, it's equal to 1. Okay, for absolute value, the parent function is just absolute value of x, which is a v shape that intersects at 0, 0. Next, something you're probably going to see more often than any of these is the quadratic equation. So the quadratic is pretty much what the quadratic is x to the power of 2. Anything that has x to the power of 2 as its leading highest degree is going to be a quadratic. So for quadratic, it's just a U shape. Every single quadratic will be a U shape, either this or this if it's negative. But luckily, the parent function is positive and it's just x squared. There's nothing other than x squared. To graph this is just a simple U-shaped. It's a simple U-shaped which intersects at 0, 0. Now, they also have domains. They also have domains. Every single one of these domains is all real numbers. So that's easy to remember. But the ranges are pretty different. The range of a constant is y equals 1, but the range of the linear is all real numbers. Luckily, absolute value and quadratic have the same range, which makes it easier to remember.